Hey folks, Robbie here. Here's what's on the bench update. 76 Chevy Caprice with khaki key collared interior. So I'm working on that. Hope you can see that okay. Sorry for the lighting. Working on the chassis and putting the motor together and working on that. There's the hubcaps for this. I'm going to have white wall tires, and I will also have a set of Kragers so it can be like switched. And this is kind of grandma's car. The paint job's a little messed up on the hood and the roof. But hey, for a 40-something-year-old car, what do you expect? But anyway, just wanted to kind of show you. And I'm working on the trim, of course, with the silver Sharpie. And this will be black right here. I'm going to use my black Sharpie for this trim. But anyway, kind of wanted to show you what's going on the bench. Going to town on some old kits. This was painted about 10 years ago. So I figured now it's time to work on it. So, and I like these 76 Chevy Caprices. They're pretty cool. So, but thanks for checking out, and Robbie signing.